Today I'm going to show you how to set up a Google Analytics account. First of all, head over to analytics.google.com, get over in there, and you'll land a page that looks like this if you've never set up an account before. It's really easy. First step, click Start Measuring. First, give your account a name. It can be your name, your business, your organization, and you can hold multiple websites and multiple analytics data inside this fresh account. I'm just going to give this one my name. I'm going to accept the default settings here, and I'm going to click Next. I'm going to measure a website to start with, so we're going to hit that up, and I'm going to give my website name the new URL, so this will be my demo website, and our URL is at HTTPS, and it is demo.evodynamic.com. Our industry category, for us we're in technology, education, computers, United States, and we are in Central Time, Chicago, and that'll create my property. So I've got to accept all their licensing agreements, set where I am, and accept that they're sharing data. That's how we get good advertising with them, is to share data and have them gather data for us. Now I'm all set up. I can leave the default settings here and say I'm good to go. So they also have mobile apps, so you can track your data later, and that will help you as you monitor your site for growth and for tracking. So I can search site content here, search for reports, ask a question, got it. So they give you kind of a self-guided tour. So now I have a set up Google Analytics account. I can see when I log in, I'm in all accounts, I'm on my demo website, and I'm looking at all site data. This is going to tell me how to set up Google Analytics for that website with my tracking code and get it in there. If I expand this out, you can see I've got an account, I've got properties. So each property is basically a separate website. And that is how to set up your first account on Google Analytics. Thanks for listening. This is Brian, Lead Ninja at White Glove Ninja.